Hi, my name is Manuel Astros and I'm going to show you how to use interpolation for Google Sheets. First, go to the add-ons, select interpolation, click About. There you will see a link for the web page. Interpolation for Google Sheet is and always gonna be free of charge. There's a documentation section with links with more details. Interpolation is also available for LibreOffice Calc. If you scroll down, you see a list of functions packaged into the add-on. Interpolation add-ons work exactly as Google Sheet built-in functions. Let's do a typical linear interpolation. Then click on the cell, type interpol, select the value you want to interpolate, then select the domain, and finally select the range. Then click Enter. Now let's try an interpolation with two parameters. Click on the cell, type interpol2, select the row value you want to interpolate, then select the cell that contains the value you want to interpolate in the column, and finally select all the table source. Click Enter. As a final example, let's determine the gravity center under the spline area formed by our data. To do that, search on the list of functions and you'll find this option for the x-axis and the y-axis. Copy and paste the function, or type search xg, select the range. Now fill the other parameters. To determine the center of gravity in the y-axis, now type search yg, select the same range again, and fill the other parameters again. We can use the result cells as a normal cells. Even we can make a chart with the original data and the center of gravity obtained with our functions. Thanks for watching and enjoy interpolation for Google Sheets.